Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are locked out of your Windows 11 PC because you forgot your password, don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a safe and easy method to reset your Windows 11 password without losing any of your files, apps or personal data. Whether you're using a local account or Microsoft account, this step-by-step guide will help you regain access quickly. Make sure to follow every step carefully to avoid any errors. Before that, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and click the bell icon for any latest updates. Let's get started. So from here, hold the Shift key and click Restart. Once your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot. Now click Advanced Options and then choose Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type Notepad and press Enter. When Notepad opens, go to File, then click Open. Navigate to this PC and open the drive where your Windows is installed. Open the Windows folder, then scroll down and open the System 32 folder. In the File Type drop-down, select All Files so all items become visible. Now search for the file utilmin. Right-click it, choose Rename and rename it to utilman 2 so we can restore it later. Next, find the file CMD. Right-click it, click Rename and change the name to utilman, the name you copied earlier. This will allow Command Prompt to open from the Accessibility button. Close Notepad and return to the Command Prompt window. Now click Continue to restart your PC. Click Accessibility button. Command Prompt will open. Here, type this command to open the Password Reset tool and hit Enter. A new window will appear. At the bottom, you will see the Reset Password option. Select your username and click Reset Password. Now enter your new password and click OK to close the window. Use your new password to log in. The video is not over yet. we still need to restore system 32 back to normal. After logging into your PC, open this PC. Go to the C drive, then open the Windows folder. Once again, open system 32. Find the file name Dutelman. This is actually CMD. Make a copy of the utilman file and paste it in the same folder. Rename the copied file back to CMD so everything is restored correctly. All done. Your CMD and system are now back to normal. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful updates. Thanks for watching.